soccer ball cake. Now we're gonna go over the wet ingredients. Milk, oil, eggs, vanilla extract. Now our dry ingredients. Flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, baking powder, salt, baking soda.
Alright, now the instructions. We need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. There's 1 and 2 and 3. There you go. Okay. Okay, step number 2. Grease an 8-inch round pan or small rectangle pan. You need to grease it.
Now can I spread it?
Yeah.
Now greasy pan.
There we go. Check off 1 and 2. So there you go. You did 1. Check it off. And check off 2. Alright, number 3. Let's read together. In a bowl, whisk together all dry ingredients. All dry ingredients.
All the dry ingredients.
All dry ingredients.
What are you putting in first?
Flour.
That's okay. Bravo. Almost an accidental. There we
That's
go.
cool. Baking powder.
Okay, put it here,
Let's
Din.
pour it in.
Din here, right here. Bravo, Din.
Yes!
Good job, Din. This one too, Din. Look.
Cocoa
Put
powder.
that one, do it too.
Look at these
Cocoa
ones.
powder.
That's it. You do it. There. Look at it.
That is the salt. Stop eating the salt.
Okay, we need to put that.
Yum
Okay.
salt.
Now,
Now?
we've done what we've done.
No, the chocolate chips.
No,
Those are
that's
last.
dry ingredients. Bravo, Adina. Bravo, Adina.
This is my turn. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
here, bravo.
Now I gotta cross out my steps.
We are now.
At number 4.
We are now at number 4.
Yeah.
Add eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla mix until smooth.
Okay, give it to Adina, Armine. She's gonna put it in here.
See? Your turn.
Your turn.
Yeah, let her whisk it.
My wrist. Can I whisk it now? Yes. Thank you. My turn. Thank you.
Let's add it, Din. What are you holding there?
Vanilla extract.
Okay, put it there. Nice. And then the last one that we have is, yeah, just do it, Mimi.
No.
That's okay, Mimi, do it. Bravo. Together. Together we're stronger.
That's good. So it doesn't
Yes.
scare me. Pretty good.
Adina wants to try it.
Get it. I'll get you some. Here.
Get on that.
6. Step 6.
6, 7, 8, 9.
6, 7. 6, 7.
How does it go, Adina? How does it really go?
6, 7.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna put
Okay.
the hot water in here.
Okay, watch out.
Very hot.
Aside, please listen to song.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's so good.
Try it. Let's see.
Look. Oh, there you go, Steve. I did it.
Pretty good. Now the final step is our chocolate chips. My favorite part.
You guys did it.
Now I'm gonna put this mixture into the bowl of oil. We're gonna put the M&Ms and now into the bowl.
Then and then the last.
I'm a
Let me not do it
sweet.
yet. Let me stir it up. Number 8 is baked for how many minutes is that? What numbers are those?
30?
Yes, 30 minutes to 35 minutes. And do you remember the number 1 was 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we're gonna put this, we're gonna bake it for 30 minutes. Does that sound good?
Yes, yes,
Yes, let's do it, Dini. You agree, Dini? Look at this madness.
We'll be back in 30 minutes to decorate our soccer ball cake. Bye-bye.
All right, this is what it looks like.
This is what it looks like.
Here is our readiness challenge. And good. So, yeah, it's ready. And then we'll leave it. And then we'll be right back.
We have these colored sprinkles. We have light purple, silver, black, and dark purple.
What are those in there?
Oh, these are colored icing. We have pink, blue, black.
And which one you like, Dini? What color you like the most?
Pink or blue?
Which one?
This one?
Which one do you want?
Pink. This one's blue.
You want pink one?
These are blue. I'm gonna put the cake that is in this tin bowl onto this tray to decorate it. I'm gonna decorate it white first, so we're gonna get this white thing out. Then open it, open it, open it, open it.
Dada. There you go, do Dada. Oh, do Dada. How's it, do Dada?
Let me do it.
Let me do it. Did Dada help?
I love this big one.
Dini, you like the cake?
Yeah.
Me too, Dini.
Let me get some more icing. Okay. Now we're gonna make our soccer ball ride with this black icing. Okay, just one line.
Good.
Mama,
Go fix it.
Yoki. And one more line.
No more down there.
Look at the shape.
Okay, the next square. That's too much.
I'm getting better than Dad. I'm beating him.
Okay, but just don't put too much on it.
I'm beating Dintin and me. I'm beating Dintin and Daddy. Pinky.
Turn into a tic-tac-toe cake.
Yeah. And I beat Daddy. I need pink. Okay, here you go. Thank you. While you do that, I'm gonna get the
let's just put the
sprinkles.
candles. That's pretty good.
No, there's sprinkles. We're missing that.
Spread the sprinkles. Spread the love. Spread the love and sprinkles. Go.
How do you do it with the salt?
I think this side full of sprinkles. What did you do? The candles we're gonna put 4 and 5, 45. And go in. It's sticking right here. Then we can stick it like that. Let me show you.
There you go.
Now I'm trying to light
Daddy's gonna light it. There we go.
Happy
Birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Bravo, Dini.
Bravo. Now let's try the cake.
No, I'm scared. Dini, are you there? Mmm. Go, go, go.
How is it?
Good.
Thumbs up?
Mmm.
Then, cheers.
Cheers, Genie.
I'll eat with my big giant fork. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
I think you had a little too much cake.